Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the road parameter sharing feature.
Today we will be discussing how to share road parameters with other severe users and how to receive road parameters shared by others.
Firstly, let's see how to share road parameter.
In the project interface of the software, click on the road feature. Inside here, find the road you want to share, and then click the Share button to the right of the road name. At this point, the software will automatically generate a QR code and a share code, both of which contain the complete set of the parameters for the road, including all the functions within the project interface. You simply need to send this QR code or share code to other servers, and they can easily access these parameters. Next, let's talk about how to receive road parameters shared by others. Firstly, open the software and directly click on the Scan button in the upper right corner. Scan the QR code sent by the other party, and you will be able to download the road parameters. Go to the road management interface and then click the Import button at the top right corner. If you choose Enter, you just need to tap the share code into the input box, and you can download these parameters as well. Regardless of which method you choose, the road parameters will be automatically inputted into your road management interface. Makes it very convenient.
That concludes the content of this video tutorial. I hope this explanation has helped you to make better use of the road parameter sharing feature.
If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.